I'm blinded by your grace. I'm blinded by your grace, by your grace. I'm blinded by your grace. Lord, I've been broken, although I'm not worthy. You fix me, now I'm blinded by your grace. You came and saved me, Lord, I'm not broken, although I'm not worthy. You.
Good morning. Welcome to another vlog. I'm opening a vlog yomtshato. We are going to a wedding at 15. Ndihamba nosomkhulu guys. Ndicela usomkhulu ningabe nimbuza xa nimbona yini niyam overwhelma. Ne overwhelm indodakazi yam. Dadlala nimbulise nina xa nimbona. We are going for fittings now ne. Sisekuyasa. We are going for fittings. Sihamba nebride inanza phambi kwethu. Kumatron kusomkhulu into azabamhle yona. Simthungele ilokho enjani. Nizombona.
Yare, I can't wait. Yo.
Akangxame guys. Uthi lokho yami ndiyamena ndithi anza kuphathela. Seyifaka kwa ku profile picture kwa ifoto le fitting. Ithwani into enje. So guys, yeah.
I can't wait.
Masambeni ke siyeni ku fittings for the bride. Sisekuyasa. We are going to the Shalom boutique. Khona mama nelokho ezinhle zomtshato. So yeah guys, let's go. Welcome to this vlog. My name is Achuma Fanny, also known as Mandungwa, also known as Nana. So yeah guys,
Also known as Self Makot.
also known as Makot, also known as Indodakazi Kazuki. So yeah guys, Masambeni, I welcome you all in this vlog. Thank you so much for the love and that you showed me kule vlog ipheleleyo. Enkosi betnana, we do not skip those ads kene. Sifuna makumba sonke, so please don't skip those ads. Masambeni. So sihamba no sisizama nabaya. Yo guys, I got this at China Mall. Ningabisabuza iplug. This is sold at China Mall, this thing. I think it's 200 and something at China Mall. This is a Glomzike. They have beautiful dresses, you're gonna see them. Let's go. He's a bride, guys. They have vlog and go.
Uthi?
Iqalile vlog lo.
Uthi yoyikuzingenisela.
Qalile. Ngicela ngingenisele futhi. Ayingxaka ngifuna kwele kunogwaja ndiyamoyika. Wathi umyena awungayazi into ecela umuntu. Intwana ubuzinyana. Uliqili gidi. Ivlog futhi.
Uzawuvela.
Siyemtshatweni ngoku. Njani? Right. Nanko matron of honor. Into azabamhle yona. Matron of honor.
Into ndizawubamhle yona.
Ha, nanke umkhwenyana.
Confused yabona. Which one is the
Usidebile sisi because is a bride. Hayi kalo. Asinathatha ngala. Oh, baby bride. Ijuba. Hayi, kuthiwa ulume kakhulu ke sisi. Nangu bhuti. Nansi couple yethu.
Udazimele.
Nansi couple yethu. Come on. Sikhulekile ekhaya. Sibona imbali. Hayibo. Sizakwazi lokho zase USA. All right, mom. Sesiflexile for umtshato. Sesiready thina ngoku. Ayizolunga nje. Hayi bakaza baqala ayizolunga nemlaka. Then thini weave. Sizofaka iweave ke guys. Uthethile. Kuthiwa ndi-install uthethile. Okay guys. Sizo-install. Kuthiwa ndizolunga.
Utheni?
Guys, we are here at Shalom clothing, Shalom wedding gowns. If you want wedding gowns, Mthatha, this is your place. This is your place to be. Bakhaphi ntoni. Angeke uyifumane eze-Afrika yalapha idress sana la. Eze-Afrika soze uyifumane yalapha. Apha hayi.
Oh, wow. Molo.
Asinangxaki nayo. Wena funeka ungaboni ibride. Hayi ubhuti ngasimbale ngapha.
Ubhuti kanogwaja ngeke.
Hayi bo.
Simbale ngaphandle.
Wonile ngongokungenzela nogwaja somtshiya. Azubambi.
Ile ngomkhulu.
The chances are besenditi.
Oh, uhle emzimbeni.
I-right as long inganinzanga phezantsi.
7 days to go ngoku.
Uyayibonela qala. Uyayibonela qala mna kwethu.
Ma,
Elaqala lencane.
7 days to go.
Iqala lencane. Iqala lomule groom ngapha. Qala usilungisa mfondini mazamenthi. Lungisa sikhona noko.
Akhona izabonakala because sisekhona.
Sikhona mnda wethu.
But iphinde i-challenge that ayinyuka
Iyandihlukumeza into kamatron senze inhloko ngoku. Hayi sake siyibona kanzekomani. Le nhloko eseyenziwe ngoku. Le ifresh kanjani? I-15 next week.
Sonala kahle mntakwethu.
Mnda. Funeka kodwa kwenza umphambili.
Umphambili ne.
Uthene khaliso wenza.
Bendilantukile ngalokho. Indlela bendimbi ngayo bendifrats ndixelela.
Sathini sathi yenza ama-flair. Sadecide sathi makulungise ifront.
Iphinde independent judge.
Hayi right.
ihleli right.
I-right but ingade kupitse caba ukwanohamba.
But ke ngoba iphindanga yanyuka na ithe ngathi inyukile nje ikawusi vele.
I-right. Funa ivele kancane.
Man, ingasi lanto Jax.
Angayifu.
Ingathi uzabona thi.
Ekawusa zimhlala.
Uthini usisizamo? Ewe nanthe mayihlale phezu kwesihlangu ibhloko. Yabo lahlolo kanani ihlale phezulu. Ewe yiyo kanje. Ewe.
Kubani ngo 6 days to go. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Andiyazi bazithumela phi.
Kubani ngo stance no?
Ukuba bazithumela khona kodwa because baseDurban babethe.
Azenziwa emuva.
Nabazithumela.
Hayi ngafika itonqiki.
I think ingavaleki ngosuku lokugqibela.
Angafika itonqiki lutho. Hayi ngavuleki.
Okay, ke masizana apha ku-boys bazosikhwelela.
Okuba sifumane re.
Ngoba bengafuna uvlog waba kuthiwa vlog.
Utava buzayithoma ngoku.
Ngana mbona umkhwenyana ongxame kanje. Akalaza ne-nerves.
Abafana bami bayifona ama-girls my-phone. So ama-girls
Kangalamini ke?
Ukuma
Ngalamini 10 kama kaye kubhuti ngalamini 10.
Ngafuna ndiyakunantsika ngoku.
Cool umtshato. Hi guys, welcome to another day. We are preparing to go to the wedding this weekend. Ezinwele bezinditshisa guys. Thabi jonga apha.
Imana sompi yo wayephuma yena
Andimazi uyaphuma yena. So yeah guys, I'm here to get my sneaker.
una lena njani
Ubani say
uyithanda ne
usayizi bani?
6 lo
Uyibona le? U6 lo. Ngibone is hi guys benzagqibezela. I don't know when ndithi hi oko. Guys noninyamezela because angiqhelanga uvlog andaqhubela kudala. So ndothi hi oko. Don't worry, I'll get used. So benzofuna iteki apha ne, but it seems like I don't have a size. Kodwa sisi akekho ne? Mkhulu 7 nje. Mandithathe la bag ke.
Okay.
But ana size. If you can order it.
But it's either 3 to 5 days of fit.
Let's order.
Ayinangxaki le.
But
Awuyisebenza ngomso?
masiye yatsho.
Uthathe ibhegi?
Mandithathe ibag le yana ndiyiphethe ucinga yeyam. I'm gonna end up taking a bag only. Hi Nana. I'm gonna end up taking a bag only because they don't have a size on the sneaker. So benifuna uba hot nje Tuesday. Andifuna uthi VIP. All my clients are VIP. But I have a clients coming kude. So yebo. You get it. All the way from Joburg. Guys, inkulu lento ndenzela ile client. Izofitisha kum all the way from Joburg. So okay, you can imagine how I feel. So khona umntana uphaphaya ningam yo. Hi. So guys, I'm getting this baby only because asinayo i-sneaker. Masambeni, I still have to go and buy snacks for the client because isuka kude. So we have to give a snacks kube suka kude. At least akafana nabantu abasuka apha. Yebo. So we're gonna buy a snack for her. Then refill drinks zasemsebenzini. And then yeah. Let me show you my bag. Guys, here is my bag. Look at this baby. What is this? Yo, ain't. I'm busy right now. I know. Hi guys, we were bullied by Bucha. He wants to come and play here. Hayi ba awukhwela ungekabhatali. Ukhwela ungekabhatali. Uqale siyobhatala. Qale siyobhatala. Sambe. Uyisabule ngisho. Nathi siyadlala ngeke kaloku abantwana bathini badlala bodwa. Bathini abantwana badlala bodwa nathi siyafuna ukudlala. Mna nenze ibhola. Ubujo wenze imoto, so let's go and play. We're gonna watch Snow. I don't know this, but I'll tell you when I get out because I'm so scared. I'm so scared, but let's see when we get inside. If I will do it again or never. Do it again or never. Let's see. Sunday. Sure. We had fun, Gesan. If usemthatha, come to the mall of Mthatha. Kule ndawo uzosusa stress, ususa umgowo because kudlala volleyball, kudlala ntoni nibonile masameni ke guys. To go gain and rest. Tomorrow it's a busy day for us. So Sunday.
You were the word at the beginning, one with God the Lord Most High. Your hidden glory in creation, now revealed in you are Christ. What a beautiful name.
much, Apiwe. Hi guys, we came for fuel. We're on our way to Jimmy's Bar. We bought in Benteng grocery for and it is in overtime episode. So now bese yo grocery checkers. Then get short sausage because ngifuna la sausage ka Jimmy mnandi in tomato sausage. I feel like to buy takeaways or is not healthy and it's expensive. So we're just gonna cook late. My sister at the back is gonna cook for us because upheka kamnandi ndamfundisa wafundiswa ndini lo me. So now
Yes.
so yeah guys, let's go to Jimmy's Bar and get a sausage. Yeah, and then we are on our and then we are going home. I'm so tired. We need to rest. Tomorrow it's a Monday. Ziyakhala. So yeah, masami nsene Jimmy's Bar. But niyayazi ke sausage at Jimmy's Bar. Tomato, it slaps. So it's sausage we have to get it at Jimmy's Bar, not kwenye ndawo. Let's go.
There's a fire within, not waiting for permission. Step up, stand out. The moment is yours.
Own it, live it, wear your name bold.
Ngenxa ye-packing guys, I'm not gonna be able to get inside. Usehambile uzophela ithenge and then we go home. It's a little bit cold now because it's late. So after ngenile sobe siyothenga and then I think I'll see you guys tomorrow. Guys, we're gonna die kukutya. Yo! Because what is this? Yo!
Ndizibona apha esipilini man kakhulu ndizibona apha esipilini. Oh, that's you made me, yes.
Sitting there.